This is the G120C in real operation, a side-mounted laser tube cutting machine designed for speed, precision, and continuous production. With acceleration up to 1.6 G, G120C delivers cutting efficiency 5 to 6 times higher than ordinary tube cutting machines. Round tube cutting remains smooth and stable at high speed. Clean edges and consistent dimensions are maintained throughout the process. The machine supports a wide cutting range. Round tubes, square tubes, oval tubes, and various shaped pipes, all processed on one platform. A stable mechanical structure combined with imported electronic components supports 24-hour continuous operation. The deeply optimized control system responds quickly and remains easy to operate. With the optional zero-tail material function, G120C achieves zero tailings, zero loss, and no foundation requirement, maximizing material utilization. No more worries about deformed or dented pipes. The laser head's auto-follow height adjustment function detects in real time and adjusts height automatically, maintaining the optimal cutting distance for precise and stable cutting every time. Speed, precision, flexibility, and stability, all integrated into one high-speed tube cutting solution. Fewer operators, higher consistency, smarter manufacturing. If you are moving toward an automated, low-labor factory, this is where the transition begins.